Dr. Vasanthi, professor in the Department of Biotechnology at Pondicherry Central University, completed her undergraduation and post-graduation in biochemistry from Bharati Women's College affiliated to the University of Madras. She explored various areas of research with an applied approach over a period of 2 decades after her doctoral program at Tamil University. She completed her PDF through the Boyscast Fellowship at the Yukon Health Center at Connecticut and the Indo-US C.V. Raman Fellowship at the UC Davis, USA, and gained hands-on experience in most of the molecular and pharmacological techniques in her area of interest. Her meticulous and systematic work on natural products, especially on medicinal plants and marine algae, fetched her many grants from various funding agencies. Trained in cardiac sciences also, she had a special interest to work on cardiovascular disorders and diabetes and focused on translational research, thereby developing polyherbal drugs for metabolic disorders such as coronary artery disease, arthritis, and diabetes. With inconsistencies in herbal and herbometallic AYUSH drugs due to adulteration and contamination of pesticides and heavy metals and their severe consequences on humans, her research focused on standardization of the drugs of Indian system of medicine. She identified it to be the need of the hour as the scientists from the Western world made hue and cry on the heavy metals in Ayurvedic drugs. Accordingly, her team standardized a herbometallic Siddha drug, Tamira Parpam, for ulcers under the National Initiative on Metal-Based Drugs funded by the Department of Science and Technology. This gave a vivid idea about the chemical changes in each process of mechanical grinding with various herbal juices, making it a perfect nano-drug for efficient drug delivery. As part of her research, she also focused the Siddha concept that food is medicine and medicine is food. Her team, with several research scholars, worked on various functional foods such as ginger, garlic, pepper, cinnamon, peanuts, horse gram, yam, kokum, pomegranate, mangoes, and many more, fetching several credible publications in peer-reviewed journals. Of late, people use both AYUSH medications and allopathic drugs in combination, which leads to several adverse effects. Hence, presently, she is working on food-drug and drug-drug interactions as part of the preclinical toxicological studies of AYUSH drugs. With the concern for sustainability in exploiting natural products for drug discovery, Dr. Vasanthi's research has also focused on renewable resources of the oceans, which is nothing but the seaweeds for drug development. Isolation of bioactive molecules for inflammatory conditions from the brown algae Turbinaria ornata and anti-cancer molecules from Acanthophora spicifera and Padina gymnospora are promising leads from the ocean. Her expertise in basic and applied research and vivid knowledge on various regulatory guidelines helped Dr. Vasanthi to serve as an expert member in different scientific and regulatory committees. Dr. Vasanthi is not only an accomplished researcher in the different positions she served, but also had the opportunity for capacity building in the various higher education institutions she taught. She has trained and guided many professionals, including dentists, Siddha doctors, and biotechnologists, leading to their professional and doctorate degrees. Professor Hannah Vasanthi, in her research journey, has been motivated and inspired by many stalwarts. She has organized many interactive meetings to spread the message that standardization of herbal drugs is imperative and industry-academia partnership is vital among all stakeholders. She emphatically attests that public-private partnership is the need of the hour, and interdisciplinary and multidisciplinary research would take the Indian system of medicine drugs globally to enhance the Indian economy.